Hey guys, so this finally arrived today. As you can see, it's by Sabertrio, and it's actually a lightsaber that I bought from them sometime in early February this year. And yeah, it took about 4 months for them to finally ship it over here. And yeah, I'm gonna do a unboxing video for you guys. So let's check it out. Okay, now that we have cut the tape, let's open and see. Alright. So the very first thing we have here is a thank you note from Sabertrio. Nice. Let's put it right there. Next we have some Allen key. This is for tightening the blade to the hilt. Next we have, I don't know what's this. Oh, I think it's some adapters for the charger. Right, so this is the new chip that comes along with the blade plug. So if you want the blade plug to work, you need a special chip that has these special connectors. Right, just set it aside here. Next we have the charger. So this is the charging adapter, obviously to charge the batteries, if not it won't work. And then we have a cable of sorts. This is a USB type A cable. I guess this is for you to connect the lightsaber to a computer so that you can download more sound fonts or colors and whatnot. Okay. And of course we have the blade plug. So I ordered this separately. So this doesn't come with the lightsaber itself. You have to order it on top of the lightsaber. Okay. What's this? This is some random sponge, and okay, this is the invoice. Doesn't matter. I'll put it here. And of course we have the two most important parts, which is of course the blade itself. Okay, so I ordered the 32-inch blade. That's the mid-size blade length. And finally we have the lightsaber itself, right? So this is the Vektra. So this is the latest model that you can buy, that was recently released by Sabertrio. They only released 30 copies when they announced the lightsabers. I was actually camping at their website, refreshing the page non-stop when it was released, and I was super lucky to manage to place an order and I finally got myself one of these. So yeah, for those who did not manage to get a copy, I think they are producing more of them, so hopefully you get yours soon. Okay, so I've removed all the plastic wrapping, and here's what we have in terms of the contents of the box. So again, we have the welcome note from Sabertrio, the Allen keys and screws to screw in the blade, and I like this. They gave different adapters depending on which country you're from. You may use a different kind of electric adapter, so this is very nice. I think it's a really nice touch from Sabertrio. And of course you have the hilt itself, so it's very nice. It's actually quite heavy. It's really solid material that they use here. I'll probably cover it in another video, a review video of the Vektra, but so far I'm really liking what I'm seeing so far. And yeah, it's really nice to hold, and can't wait to put on the blade and test it out. Then we have the cable, as I showed earlier. Okay, and finally the charger and the blade plugs. The blade itself is 32 inches, so this is the special neo blade, which allows the blade to be fully illuminated. as well as, you can change the colors accordingly to whatever you select. Right, so here we have the hilt. So this is a full matte black anodized hilt. I got the gold activation switch, as you can see here, because I felt gold with black would look pretty classy. It has a white illumination button here if you turn it on, and at the back we have a back wheel color, which is basically matching the hilt, the saber's hilt color, which is matte black. So I didn't do anything at the back here. And on top of this, I also got the new blade plug, as you can see here. So this is a special blade plug. It's a bit more expensive than your regular blade plug because you actually need a neo chip, as you can see. So this neo chip comes with some special, I guess, sensors here, where you plug it to the front of the hilt. I'm not sure you can see this. Yep. So you plug it in here, and it would illuminate or shine the correct colors as to what the blade is showing. Right. Okay, so there you have it. Here's the unboxing video of the Sabertrio Vektra. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you like this video, do leave a like and subscribe. So I mostly cover gaming related videos, but I also do other random stuff like this. So yeah, see you in the next video, which I will be doing a full review of the Vektra, the Sabertrio Vektra. And may the force be with you.